Think cruises cost extra for everything? Not really. Hidden in plain sight are perks most passengers never discover. Today, I'll reveal 17 totally free cruise perks you can unlock just by asking so you can cruise like a pro. Especially tip number 17, so make sure you stick around till the end. 1. Cabin room service breakfast. One of my favorite hidden perks on cruises is the cabin room service breakfast. Many people assume it costs extra, but on most cruise lines, a continental breakfast is included, sometimes even a hot breakfast. When I first discovered this, I felt like I'd unlocked a little luxury secret. The best part? You can grab a table in the main dining room without having to get up early or wait in packed buffets. Simply check your room service menu in your cabin or look in your cruise line app, and you'll find a range of breakfast options delivered straight to your door. In some cases, you can even request items throughout the day. Think fruit, yogurt, or pastries without paying a dime. If you are sailing on a premium line, occasionally hot breakfast items are still free. To make things easier, I would advise you to call room service or schedule your breakfast the night before. Then you may have coffee, tea, and juice while you gaze out onto your balcony and watch the ocean come to life. 2. Free main dining room meals. Most cruisers think free meals just mean the buffet, but the main dining room is another gold mine. Every evening, you can choose from a variety of appetizers, entrees, and desserts, all included in your fare. The first time I realized I could order more than one main course, I felt like I'd stumbled into a secret. You can even try 2 dishes and share them at the table, giving you the best of both worlds. From juicy steaks to fresh seafood, pasta, and gourmet dishes, the main dining room often has a rotating menu with plenty of variety. If you're a bit indecisive, don't be afraid to ask your waiter for suggestions. They love recommending favorites. And just because your cruise line permits it, it's okay to order an extra dessert or appetizer as a sharing dish. The important thing is to understand what's included and not feel shy about asking for more. After all, you're already paying for your fare. You might as well enjoy it fully. 3. Casual dining and snacks. The casual dining options on a cruise are often overlooked, but they are a huge perk. Consider cafes that serve coffee and pastries, poolside barbecues that serve burgers, hot dogs, and fries, or 24-hour snack stations where you can get sandwiches or pizza whenever you want. During my most recent trip, I found that the cafe beside the atrium offered complimentary coffee and breakfast pastries in the morning, which was ideal for a balcony snack at sunrise. Some cruise lines, such as Norwegian Cruise Line, even have bars or informal dining establishments open around the clock that provide late-night fare, including dessert and sliders. The best part is you can mix up your dining experience without touching specialty restaurant fees. It's casual, quick, and flexible, making it ideal if you're coming back from a shore excursion or just wanting something light. Make sure to discover hidden food stations by exploring the ship early. They're often tucked behind lounges or on upper decks, and many first-time cruisers walk right past them without realizing these meals are already included. 4. Adult-only pool areas. If you've ever wanted a quieter, more relaxing space on a cruise, the adult-only pool areas are a hidden gem. Away from children and the crowded main pool, these pools frequently have more cozy loungers, shaded spots, and a calm ambiance. I remember stepping into one for the first time and feeling like I discovered a secret garden. Peaceful, calm, and perfect for reading or just soaking up the sun. Some ships even have spa-style water features, hot tubs, or bars nearby, making it feel like a private resort. Even when the main pool is crowded, these adult zones remain tranquil. If you're not at the pool, you may still unwind in the ship's quiet areas and private salons. Grab a lounge early in the morning or late afternoon. Bring your book or headphones and enjoy the calm. It's a free, simple perk that makes your cruise feel luxurious without having to pay extra. 5. Towels for pool and shore. Here is a simple but surprisingly valuable perk: free towels. Most cruise lines allow you to take towels off the ship for shore excursions, and the majority of them give them at the pool. On my first cruise, I packed a towel for beach days, only to realize the ship had them covered. Large, absorbent, and easy to carry, these towels save space in your luggage and prevent you from paying beach rental fees at ports. To ensure you never run out of towels when on excursions, some ships even set up towel stations on private islands. Ask the crew or check the towel carts near the pools and gangways. They'll gladly provide extras if required. Just remember to return them to avoid any charges. It's such a simple, overlooked perk, but when you're hopping between shore excursions, beaches, or the pool deck, it makes your cruise experience effortless. Having these towels ready to go keeps your day smooth and stress-free without spending a cent. 6. Pool activities and onboard attractions. Many first-time cruisers assume the fun extras like water slides, mini golf, or rock climbing walls cost extra. But on most ships, it's included. When I first realized I could grab a life jacket and head to the zip line without paying a dime, I was hooked. These activities aren't just for kids. Adult-friendly options like climbing walls, surf simulators, or even laser tag add a playful energy to the ship. Mini golf and sports courts are usually free and perfect for an afternoon break between meals or shows. I love spending a sunny morning racing friends or family down the water slide, then cooling off in the pool. It feels like a resort with zero extra fees. The trick is to check the daily cruise schedule or your ship's app so you can know what's available when. Some activities even require early sign-ons, so keep an eye out. Trust me, taking advantage of these perks can make your cruise memorable, active, and full of laughs, all without opening your wallet. 7. Free non-alcoholic drinks. A perk I never took seriously until my third cruise is just how many non-alcoholic drinks are included. Coffee, tea, hot chocolate, lemonade, and iced teas are usually available in the buffet or main dining room, while water stations are sprinkled all over the ship. On one trip, I realized I could grab a fresh orange juice carton or even chocolate milk via room service, store it in my mini fridge, and enjoy it later on. A little convenience that felt like a bonus. Flavored waters and fruit drinks often appear at casual dining spots, giving you plenty of variety without paying for a beverage package. My tip: take advantage of these drinks early in the day, especially if you enjoy lounging by the pool or on your balcony with a morning coffee. It's a simple perk, but when you multiply it across 7 or more days at sea, it really adds up. Staying hydrated, sipping coffee, and enjoying a smoothie is free. A little luxury that's easy to overlook. 8. Cabin requests, robes, extra pillows, comforts. Many cruisers don't realize you can personalize your cabin without paying a cent. When I first asked for an extra robe, I felt like I discovered a secret luxury. Most cruise lines offer robes, extra pillows, mattress toppers, or even blue blankets upon request. If you get in touch with them in advance, some ships will even offer fans or help with CPAP setups. My tip is to make these requests early, on embarkation day, or even online before sailing to ensure availability. To make my cabin feel more like a luxury suite, I've also asked for additional hangers, blankets, and daily ice bucket refills. The staff are incredibly accommodating and want to make your stay comfortable, so don't be shy. These small touches make a huge difference, especially on longer cruises. Instead of spending money on upgrades, I focus on requesting these simple items. They're free, convenient, and make your cabin a perfect retreat at the end of each adventurous day. 9. Supervised kids clubs. If you're traveling with children, this perk can completely change your cruise experience. While daytime kids clubs are typically free, many new parents believe childcare is expensive. On our family trips, I've dropped my son off at the club and discovered a blissful few hours of uninterrupted relaxation at the adult pool. These clubs often feature structured activities, games, and creative workshops led by trained staff. Some ships even have teen-only areas where older kids can hang out safely. Even though there might be a cost for late-night childcare, for free, the program during the day is incredible. Remember to check the schedule and pre-register if possible to secure spots for your kids. allowing everyone to enjoy the cruise on their own terms. Kids are entertained, and adults get a little peace of mind and some downtime. Honestly, this free perk is one of the reasons we keep returning to family cruises. It's convenience, safety, and fun rolled into one, all without having to spend the extra money. 10. Broadway-style shows and entertainment. One of the most jaw-dropping perks of cruising is the onboard entertainment, and it's all included. The quality is on par with many land-based theaters, with anything from Broadway-style musicals to live comedy, music, magic shows, and acrobatics. I still remember watching a musical on my first cruise and thinking, how is this included in my fare? Some ships even have weekly rotating themed programs or guest entertainers. You can plan your evenings around shows, skipping paid attractions on land, and still get world-class entertainment. My advice would be to arrive early for popular shows to get the best seats, or see if you can make a reservation using the ship's app. If you're traveling with kids, there are often family-friendly performances during the day too. By making the most of these complimentary performances, your cruise will feel like a full vacation package, with meals, entertainment, and activities all included at no extra charge. 11. Free art prints and onboard giveaways. One of my favorite unexpected perks on cruise lines is the free art prints or small gifts you can score on board. Many cruise ships host promotional events or art auctions where attendees are given free prints simply for showing up. I once walked into a casual gallery session and left with a high-quality print I wouldn't have bought otherwise. It instantly became a souvenir I cherished. During special campaigns, some ships also distribute tiny bracelets, pendants, or charms in your cabin or at gift stores. These items may seem minor, but they add a personal touch to your cruise experience and create a little excitement walking through the ship discovering these surprises. Go over the daily schedule or app for giveaways, and don't be afraid to ask staff about ongoing promotions. It's easy to overlook these perks, but man, they can make your cruise feel really special and add memorable keepsakes without spending a penny. 12. Onboard booking bonuses and future cruise credits. Booking your next cruise while on board often comes with free perks or onboard credits. I've learned that participating in these programs can save money or provide extras like specialty dining, spa credits, or excursion discounts on your next trip. Just for booking a reservation for your current vacation, the cruise line typically offers incentives, sometimes in the form of hundreds of dollars in onboard credit. Even if you don't want to commit immediately, an open booking allows you to reserve a cabin and later finalize plans with a travel agent while still getting the credits. These incentives may seem like free money to spend on souvenirs, drinks, or outings. Review the offers carefully and make sure you ask questions. The onboard staff, they're trained to help you maximize your credits. I personally take advantage of these offers, even for planning future trips, because the onboard credit adds real value and sometimes covers the cost of a specialty dinner or shore excursion I would not have otherwise enjoyed. 13. Shareholder cruise credits. If you own stock in major cruise companies like Carnival, Royal Caribbean, or Norwegian, you can get these shareholder cruise credits. This is a perk I found out on my second cruise. Just 100 shares are needed to be eligible, and credits can range from $100 to more for a 7-day cruise depending on the length of the trip. These credits can be used on your current cruise or even a future one, giving you extra spending cash without having to dip into your own. Contact the cruise line shareholder services before sailing to apply and confirm your eligibility. It's an underused benefit because many cruisers just don't realize they qualify. I have personally stretched my vacation budget big time by using these credits for stuff like onboard shopping, specialized meal, and spa treatments. If you're interested in the cruise industry, these credits feel like a reward for loyalty, essentially giving you free extras just for being a shareholder, making your trip more enjoyable without the extra effort. 14. Cruise line loyalty programs. Almost every cruise line offers a loyalty or past passenger program, and it's completely free to join. Early enrollment guarantees that you'll begin receiving benefits on your very first trip. My favorite, after a few cruises, you unlock perks like complimentary specialty dining, free laundry, yes please, gift shop discounts, or even mini bar privileges. Some levels include priority boarding or invitations to exclusive parties on board. Me, I always make it a point to sign up straight away because even little benefits, that can add up big time over time and add a sense of luxury to a long cruise. Plus, beyond the perks, loyalty programs often give early access to special offers, discounts, and onboard events. Check your cruise line's website before sailing and register for the program so you're eligible right away. Personally, I've found that loyalty perks They transform the cruise experience, giving me that extra value and surprises without spending the extra money. It's a simple step that pays off in convenience, comfort, and a few fun freebies along the way. 15. Private island perks. One of the biggest surprises for me was that many of the amenities on cruise lines' own islands are free, and access to them is often included. From complimentary lunches and drinks to lounge chairs and towels, you can enjoy a full beach day without spending extra. I have never reached for my wallet while lounging, swimming, and exploring on MSC's Ocean Key or Royal Caribbean's Perfect Day at Coco Key. The private island setting feels exclusive yet completely integrated into your cruise package, and excursions back to the ship are also included. Make sure you check if your cruise includes island perks before booking excursions elsewhere, because sometimes the free amenities rival the paid activities on public beaches. I've also found that getting there early guarantees better seating and fewer crowds. Experiencing a private island is one of those free perks that instantly elevates your cruise. It's an included paradise you might not fully realize until you step off the ship. 16. Special events and theme night bonuses. Cruise ships often host free theme nights or special onboard events that include perks like champagne, sparkling wine, or exclusive entertainment. I remember attending a formal night where a small complimentary glass of sparkling wine felt like a bonus treat just for showing up. Other events like loyalty parties or store promotions may offer free tastings, drinks, or small gifts. These occasions are included in your cruise fare and often go unnoticed by first-time cruisers. Keep an eye on the daily schedule on the ship's app to see when theme nights and events occur. By participating, you're getting extra experiences without paying extra, from tastings to live music and giveaways. These small surprises add excitement and make your cruise feel even more luxurious, proving that asking or simply showing up can unlock freebies and memorable moments throughout your journey. 17. Free cabin upgrades. While not guaranteed, free cabin upgrades are still possible if you book a guaranteed cabin. You choose a cabin category, this is interior, balcony, or ocean view, when making this kind of reservation, but the cruise operator determines the precise cabin assignment. Occasionally, you may get upgraded to a higher category or even a mini suite at no extra cost. On one of my cruises, I booked a guaranteed ocean view cabin and was pleasantly surprised to wake up to a balcony cabin with a breathtaking sunrise view. Guaranteed bookings carry a small risk, as you don't know the exact location, but the potential reward is definitely worth it. Joining reward programs or placing a bid for an upgrade are two more ways to improve your chances. Even though upgrades aren't common on every cruise, the possibility makes it a perk worth considering. Sometimes you can enjoy a more luxurious cabin experience completely free. And there you go, 17 free cruise perks waiting for you. Try them on your next sailing and cruise smarter. Use them, share your favorites below, and hit that subscribe button for more insider tips.